So Amit has over 25 years of experience in the aerospace engineering, cloud program management, product development, product management, and software development in AI. He holds two AWS certifications and he's the founder of the Silicon Valley-based startup Intelligent Cloud LLC. So without further ado, Amit.
Good morning, everyone, and it's going to be a very fun kind of a presentation. I don't want to bore you with all kinds of bullet points. I'll be very brief, and then during the panel discussion, we're going to answer all your questions. So my topic here is how to build an AI factory. So basically, I'll go and cover the core concept and see when you look at the traditional business. So basically, every business wants to add some value, some deliver some values. So basically, when you look at the traditional business model, that the price gets cheaper as the firm goes, and then it comes with all kinds of a delivery model. But those are the traditional operating model. So, but on the new digital revolution, and what you call the digital, kind of AI factory model, every company needs to be a data company first. Otherwise, the company is going to die within 2, 3, 5 years. That's for sure. So, in order to become a data company, one needs to be a digital operating model. And let me cover my left side. What is the digital model operating model about? So basically, there are two types of business model. You have the business model, and then you have the operation model where you add the value. An operation model consists of everything, from sales to fulfillment to customer service to everything. But what happens is this plain economy, as you grow, as it says, the economic 101, that marginal cost equal to marginal revenue, or marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. So as you grow, your marginal cost and marginal revenue needs to be same, then only you can make some profit. But when in the digital operating model, the traditional operating model is converted into some kind of a AI operating model. And it consists of various functions, including personalization, revenue optimization, sophisticated analytics, stuff like that. Think of Amazon store, the Amazon e-commerce store, where you can buy all kinds of books to anything, all kinds of merchandise, and their rating system, feedback system, you know how to use it. Those are all digital operating model, and it scales like crazy, and then there is no basically particularly the marginal cost for expansion becomes zero or almost zero, so there is no marginal cost. So the revenue really, the firm adds value because of that. Now I'm going to the second one, so what I did. Okay, now re-architecting the company. So you have the digital transformation. So basically you have the traditional business model. Now you're trying to digitize everything. So you have to go through some data gathering process at an industrial scale. Amazon Kinesis and Amazon Kinesis fire hose and all kinds of, producer from IoT and others. You can capture the data and through all kinds of a different delivery model. You can really go that. Then you create that data. You gather the data. Many traditional and managerial decisions are now done by the AI model. And then you create a wholesome life cycle of engagement data collections, algorithm design, and stuff like that. So this is basically the pipeline. So basically your data gathering process, you have the data sources. So there are data producer from everywhere. And then you level the data, you collect the data, you do all your ETL and kind of stuff. And then your algorithm comes. The best part of it, most of the algorithms are predefined models are available within Amazon SageMaker. So lots of things are already automatically built. If you know how those things work, then you can really do it in minutes and probably in hours versus weeks or months. You don't have to develop any kind of data and stuff like that. This is a digital networking model basically. So you create a digital agents all over the company, all over. And every company does not work as a silo. It works as a digital agent, any kind of sophisticated tool, and then you connect all the agent and it becomes a one digital brain inside the company, and that becomes basically your AI factory. That's what I was talking about. And this is one strategy, one architectural clarity, agile product-focused organization, capability foundations, and clear multidisciplinary governance. This is the core of everything, how to build a digital factory. And as I said, you create a value in terms of making a digital network, and which creates a sub-network, social network, stuff like that. And these are the different Amazon product and services. You can use it right from TensorFlow, PyTorch, and also different. And this is the last slide. This is the SageMaker is huge. If you understand SageMaker, you understand all the different functions of SageMaker. You can build your ML pipeline, and this is you can really do that. And there is another something called here is called Amazon Event Bridge. All your event-driven functionality, you can use it. Very powerful tool, serverless. And then you capture all the data, you create all your event, you create your own pipeline. It's a continuous CI/CD pipeline basically. It's a continuous improvement and continuous development. And then you have the model, and you use that Amazon ECR, all kinds of repository where you have the Docker, all kinds of Docker file and Docker repository. Bring them. Use all the pre-trained model and run it. So this is the way you are creating a digital agent, and you are going to create hundreds of them, and you are connecting all the digital agent, and it becomes a AI factory. That's the core concept of everything. Done?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much, Amit. We'll hold off questions till after everyone gives their lightning talks.